Hey guys, today I will be doing a review on this 13x4 lace frontal wig from QVR. Now this is their pre-bleached and pre-plucked 13x4 lace frontal wig. This wig also comes with the lace already cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace on this wig or possibly butchering the lace on this wig. I would like to consider this wig pretty much a put on and go type of wig. This wig also comes with an adjustable band to ensure tightness or a better fit with the wig, I should say. The wig also comes with combs, as you can see, and it comes with the adjustable strap in the back of the wig where the nape of the hair is, and that just gives you a little bit more secureness and a little bit more of a better fit if you have a smaller head. So let's go ahead and get into this wig review video and put this wig on. So again, the wig comes with the lace already cut, and girl, as you can see, it is already melting into my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure the wig down, and I'll be back.
I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are trouble me. Ready to give up my pain, ready to be on my name, my mind. Wanting to the other side, when it's time to leave my life. Let it try to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need, I really
Okay, and so now that I have the wig on, I'm going to show you girls what the parting space looks like on this wig. Again, you get 4 inches of parting space on this wig, and the lace is 13 inches, so it's pretty much ear to ear. So the parting space is actually pretty good. The hairline is not overly plucked, but it is slightly plucked. By the way, the length of this wig is like 24 inches. It is super long. So I'm going to continue to play around with my lace and my hairline, and then I'm going to go in and do a little bit more flattening out the wig and just making sure it doesn't sit on top of my head but actually lays down smoothly, and it gives that meltdown effect. And as you can see, when it comes to me securing the lace down, I like to pull some of the hairs out around the hairline and then apply the EBN holding spray directly to my lace and then push the hairs into the hairline. It just helps with securing the wig, and it also helps with taming any type of flyaways that might be in the front of the wig. Okay, so I've pretty much secured the wig down. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take a headband to tie this wig down, and I'm going to put the headband kind of like, well, not kind of, but directly on the lace, but pulling the headband forward a little bit to make sure that the lace actually blends into my skin. This just actually helps with making sure the wig is secure and that lace blends into the skin. Now, originally this wig was 28 inches. I did decide to go in and cut this wig because I wanted a lot of layers with my middle part look. Yeah.
If you cannot breathe, I need to find me. Far behind, my mind is all these thoughts are about me.
And by the way, I do have a tutorial showing you girls how to cut layers in your hair so that you get big fluffy curls if you decide to go for a curly look. So yeah, I did get a little scissor happy. I didn't mean to cut off this much length on this hair, probably like 2 inches, but girl, I cut the hell out of this wig. But anyways though, I am not mad because I know this wig is going to be gorgeous with these curls. Now this is the T3 curling iron. I love this curling iron. I actually picked up another one for the Black Friday sale, which was like 35% off. So I picked up the newest model and I cannot wait to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair and I'll be back. Okay, the baby hairs is perfect for this style. And y'all, this hair is so soft and so full and so shiny. Like what you see on camera is definitely what it is giving in real life. I absolutely love the fullness on this wig. I don't know what the density is, but for this to have been a 24-inch before I cut it is crazy that this wig is this darn full. But for some reason I can't get the front bang to curl right, so I'm finding myself having to curl this part over and over again. I don't know, girl, but the volume is definitely in the wig. The lace is definitely melted. It is definitely growing out of my scalp. So I'm going to continue to play around with my hair, especially these curls, and try my best not to disrupt too much of the curls because I don't want to recurl my entire head. But this is pretty much the look that I am going for with this wig. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. QVR Hair definitely has some really good hair, especially with their lace. I recently did a ginger orange wig review for them, and y'all, that wig turned out so darn pretty. I'm gonna make sure I put that link below or in this video somewhere so that y'all can check it out, because they play no games about the quality of their wigs. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look to this beautiful wig install. Make sure you check out QVR Hair. They have some really good quality wigs. I'll see you girl in the next video. Bye.